am back here with your next lecture. Today I am going to start in your grammar book chapter number 9, concept of these, that, these and those. We had already completed this concept in our notebook. So today is the turn to complete this concept in your book on page number 51. Okay, this concept is on page number 51, concept of this, that, these and those. So open your page number 51 in your fancy book and you have to do this concept in your book. Okay, so we will do the exercise of this book in your book. Okay, chapter number 9, page number 51. Okay, see, look at the picture and read the sentences. This is a girl. See, I already told you now, if you have only one object and it is nearby you, then what we have to use? This. What we will use? This. So here, this is a pen. Full stop. Okay, what we will write here? This is a pen because I am having only one object and it is nearby me. Okay, so this is a pen. Like this in your book, one girl is there, the picture of a girl is there. So this is a girl. Okay, now see, that is a balloon. That is a balloon. If it is far away, then what we will write? That. What we will write? That. Okay, now see here, these are girls. These are girls and those are balloons. Now read this. Now see, this is used to indicate one person, place or thing near to us. I already explained you when we use this. We use this to indicate one person, place, thing nearby us. Like this pen is here and it is nearby us. So we will use this is a pen. Similarly, if two persons are there, things are more than one, then we will use these. So these is used to indicate more than one person, place and things near to us. Okay, when we use these, when we indicate more than one person, things, that time we will use these are girls, or these are pens, these are bats. See, that is used to indicate one person, place or thing away from us. I already introduced you that we are standing here and if the object is nearby, far by us. See here I am drawing the picture of a bat and it is far away from us. So what we will write? This, that is a bag. That is a bag. Okay, so like this you have to do. And this, so this indicates when we are talking about only one person or one thing and it is nearby us, so we will use this. And when we talk about more than one person or things, we will use that. Okay, so see, there is an exercise in your book. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So this you have to do in your book itself. Okay, this you have to do in your book itself. Okay, now look here. Dash is my book. Number 1, dash is my book. Full stop. So what we will write here? It is nearby us. So right now we will write this. Number 1, what do you have to write? This. T-H-I-S. This. This is my book. This is my book because only one book is there and it is nearby us. So we will write this is my book. Okay. Now afterwards is 3 pens are there. How many pens are there? 3. Now it is far away. 3 pens. So here we will write those are pens. On number 2, what we will write? Those. Those are pens. Those are pens. Now see on number 3, dash are your shirts. Dash are your shirts. Dash are Two shirts are there and it is nearby us. So here we will use these are shirts. These are shirts. Okay. Same way on number 4. Dash is her umbrella. Now the picture of an umbrella is there and it is far away. It is far away. So here it will come that. T-H-A-T, that is her umbrella. Okay. So now right here that is her umbrella. Okay. Now complete this 4 sentences in your book. Okay. Okay, now after this, turn page number 5 to 52. Okay, draw pictures for the following sentences. You have to draw a picture for the following sentences. Okay, on B, page number 52. Page number 52. Okay. On page number 52, draw pictures for the following sentences. Okay. See number 1, this is an apple. Number 1, what is written there? Number 1, this, T-H-I-S, this is an apple. So what we have to draw? The picture of an apple. What do you have to draw? Picture of an apple. So nearby here you have to draw picture of an apple in the box. Okay, in the box you have to draw picture of an apple. Okay, on number 2, these are flowers. What is written on number 2? These, T-H-E-S-E, these are, A-R-E, are flowers. These are flowers. So again nearby here we have to draw 2 or 3 flowers. Okay. I am going to draw here 2 flowers. You can make 3 or 4 flowers also. It's up to you. Now number 3, that is a tree. Number 3, T-H-A-T, that is a tree. That is a tree. Full stop. So far away from here, we will draw here a tree. Okay, picture of a tree. Okay, now after that, those are pencils. On number 4, what is written here? Those are pencils. On number 4, those, T-H-O-S-E, those are, A-R-E, are pencils. Okay, now here those is written here. So here we are going to draw a picture of pencils more than 1. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to draw 2, 3, 4, 5, it's up to you. Okay, and I had drawn 3 pencils. Okay, so those are pencils. So these are the concepts where we have to write these, that, these and those. Okay. Okay, now after that, fill in the blanks with words given below. So now concept of these and that and these and those, both we have to use. Okay. Comma, these and those. Okay. Okay, now see here. C. Fill in the blanks with words given below. C. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Now we have to fill in the blanks. Okay. So these, that, these, those all are written here and some spellings. So first we will read the spellings. Now read with me. P-E-N, pen. Once again, P-E-N, pen. Once again say P-E-N, pen. After that, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. After that, pencils. P-E-N-C-I-L-S, pencils. Number 4, bag. B-A-G, bag. After that, bananas. B-A-N-A-N-A-S, bananas. After that, grandparents. G-R-A-N-D, grand. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Grandparents. After that, shoes. Spelling of shoes. Okay, now after that, sharpener. S-H-A-R-P-E-R, sharp. What is written here? Sharpener. Sharpener. After that, cat. Spelling of cat. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to fill in the blanks. So see here, there are the pictures. So now we have to fill up the pictures. Okay. Number 1, the picture of pen is there in your book. Picture of pen is there in your book. Dash is a dash. Full stop. So what we will use here? This, because one object is there, pen is there. So here we will use this. T-H-I-S, this is a pen. P-E-N, pen. Full stop, because this is a picture of a pen. So this is a pen. Now write this. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, C. Picture is there. 2 pictures are here. Okay. So what they have written? R-A-R-E-R, my dash. So what we will write here? These are my grandparents. So here we will use these. These are my G-R-A-N-D, grandparents. So these are my grandparents. Okay, full stop. Now there are one pair of shoes. Pair means दो shoes है. Okay, and are my shoes. So what we write here? Here also shoes and here these. THESE. These are my shoes. Okay, these are my shoes. Okay, this you have to write. You have written here. Okay, now after that I have no space, so I have to rub here. Okay, so first you do this work, then I will rub. Okay. Okay, now after that, number 5 I am going to raise number 1 and number 3 here. Okay, now I am going to write number 5. Number 5. Now see, two pencils are there. There is a picture of two pencils here. Okay, dash R dash full stop. So what we will write? These are THESE. These are pencils. 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 These are pencils. Okay. Now after that on number 6, dash is my dash. Number 6. Number 6. Dash is my dash. Full stop. Okay. And after that one picture is there. Okay. Here one picture is there. Picture of a sharpener. Picture of a sharpener. Okay. Picture of a sharpener. On number 6. Okay, so here we will write that. 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 On number 6 first you will write that. And here spelling of sharpener. SHARPNER. Sharpener. Okay. Picture of sharpener. So that is my sharpener. Okay. Now number 7. Okay, I am writing here number 7. Picture of a bag. School bag is here. See, you all are using your school bag. Okay. Dash is my dash. Full stop. So what do we write here? This is my school bag. Picture of a school bag. Full stop. This is my school bag. Okay. Now after that number 8. After that number 8. Okay. Now I am erasing here and I am writing number 8 here. Number 8. Picture of a cat. See here, picture of a cat. Okay. Dash is my dash. Full stop. So here we will write this. THIS. This is my cat. Full stop. Okay. This is my cat. Okay. Now after that, picture of bananas. Picture of bananas. Okay. On number 9. So I am going to erase here number 5. And I am writing here number 9. Dash are bananas. 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 And 2 bananas pictures are there. So here we will write. Here also banana spelling. And here those. THOSE. Those are bananas. Those are bananas. Okay. So like this way you have to do in your notebook. Okay. In your book as well as in your notebook also. Do this. Read, you have to read and then you have to write in your book as well as in your notebook. Okay, you have to read and write. So once again I am here. First we will do the reading and then you read with me. Number 1 on page number 51. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Number 1, dash is my book. Now see, you had already done this exercise. One book is here, so that's why we have written here, this is my book. This is my book. Number 2, dash are his pens. So how many pens are there? 1, 2, 3. So here we have written those because all the pens are far away from this line. So we have written here those are his pens because the pens are more than 1. The quantity of the pens are more than 1. So that's why we used here those are his pens. Now here 2 shirts are there, one red and one blue shirt, and it is nearby. So here we will use these are your shirts. From here what we will write? These are your shirts. So correct option is these. After that, dash is her umbrella. So these and that is written here. So what we have to write here? That, because only one umbrella is there and it is far away. So here we will write that is her umbrella. Okay. So on correct option put the tick mark also, and that correct option you have to write here in the blanks also. Okay. Now after that, you have already draw the pictures. Okay. This is an apple. So how many apples you have to draw in your book? Only one apple, and you have to draw here nearby. Okay. You have to draw here nearby, and this is an apple. After these are flowers. So you have to make flowers more than 1. It's up to you. 2, 3, 4, 5. It's up to you. And you have to make nearby this sentence. These are flowers. So here you have to draw the flowers. After that, that is a tree. So we are talking about that. That means away from us. So that picture of a tree you have to draw. One picture of the tree you have to draw away from the sentence here. After that, those are pencils. So you have to draw pencils more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to draw away from the sentence. So you can draw here. So like this here also, and read these spellings also. Not only write. Okay, you have to read the spelling. Then only you can understand and you can write here. You can fill in the blanks here. Okay. So dash is a dash. So here is a pen, a picture of a pen. So spelling of a pen is P-E-N, pen. So this is a pen because the quantity of the pen is only 1 and it is nearby us. That's why we will write here this is a pen. Okay, on number 2, both grandparents are there, Dadima and Dadaji, or we can say Naniji or Nanaji. Both are here and it's nearby us. So here we will use these are my grandparents. These are my grandparents. After that, flowers, picture of flowers. So 2 flowers are there and it is nearby. So these are flowers. These are flowers. On number 4, pair of shoes you can see here. So here we will write these are my shoes. These are my shoes. After that, picture of 2 pencils you can see here. So here also we will use these are pencils because this is nearby and the quantity is more than 1. So we will use these are pencils. After that, on number 6, dash is my sharpener. So one sharpener is there and it is far away. So that is my sharpener. That is my sharpener. After that, number 7, you can see a school bag. What is this? This is a picture of a school bag and it is nearby us. Here we will use this is a bag. homework what now I am going to write on the board. Okay. Okay. Now this is your homework. What I am going to write some sentence on the board so that you have to do. Okay. Number 1. Okay. Number 1. Number 1. I am going to make a picture of a ball here. Okay. Dash is a ball. Now you have to write what will come here. Okay. Number 2. Dash are, okay, dash are pins, P-I-N-S, pins. I am going to draw the picture of pins here. Okay. Number 3, okay, dash is a book. I am going to draw one book and it is far away from the sentence here. Okay. Number 4. Dash. Okay. Dash are. Now what will we draw the picture of? Grapes. Picture of grapes. Grapes, grapes, bunch of grapes. Now I am going to draw here, nearby here itself. Okay, nearby the sentence. See, you have to see one thing. If the things are nearby the sentence, if the quantity is 1, then we will write this. If the quantity is more than 1, then we will write these. And if the pictures are away from the sentence, okay, that means away from yours. But right now from the board or from your notebook, how you will understand that it is away from the sentence. So when it is away from the sentence and the quantity is 1, that means it indicates that we have to use that. Okay. And if the quantity is more than 1, then there we will use those. Okay. So now I am going to write number 5 here. Dash are, okay, dash are picture of bags, B-A-G-S, bags. I am going to draw the picture of bags far away from the sentence. See, far away from the sentence. Now you have to look, identify the pictures, whether the pictures are near from the sentence or far from the sentence. Number 2, you have to identify the quantity, whether it is 1 or more than 1. Okay, I already explained you when you see the object practically, and if it is nearby you like this is a chalk, and this is how many chalk I have in my hand? Only 1. So I will say this is a chalk. What I will say, this is a chalk. But if I am standing here and some objects are kept away from us, okay, away from me, like a glass, I can say a glass. I am standing here and I am seeing the glass is away from me. So what I will say, that is a glass. So practically if you will say, you can use these and that, these and those like this, but on the book or on the notebook, if you will say, if the objects are near by the sentence, that time you will use for one object, we will use this. For more than one object, we will use these. Like the same way, if the objects are away from you or away from the sentence in your book or from your board, and if the quantity is 1, then we will use that. If the quantity is more than that 1, then we will use those. So these are the 5 sentences that you have to do in your notebook. Okay, write properly the concept of these and that and these and those. This heading you have to put, write homework, and that you have to do in your notebook. Okay, bye.